In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select model in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Choosing the right model can make your conversations smoother, faster, and more accurate, depending on what you need at the moment. We'll walk through where to find the selector, what each option means, and how to switch on the fly without losing your place in a conversation. Start by opening a new chat or any existing thread in the main ChatGPT interface. At the top left corner of your workspace, you'll see the current model name displayed, something like ChatGPT 5.2. That label is your model indicator. Right next to it, there's a small down arrow. Clicking that arrow opens the model menu. If you don't see it right away, make sure your chat window is in focus and not zoomed too far in or out. The indicator should remain visible near the top bar. Inside the menu, you'll find a few variations tailored for different needs. Auto mode is the default. Think of it as a smart balance. The AI chooses a blend of speed and reasoning, so you don't have to decide every time. If you value quick turnarounds above all else, choose instant mode. It prioritizes rapid responses with minimal latency, great for brainstorming lists, drafting quick messages, or moving fast when you already know roughly what you want. For deeper work, there's thinking mode. This option is designed for complex prompts, multi-step reasoning, or tasks where nuance and accuracy matter more than speed. Expect it to take a bit longer and use it when you're troubleshooting, planning, or analyzing detailed information. You may also see legacy models. These are older versions preserved for compatibility. While they can be helpful for consistency with earlier projects, newer models such as 5.2 or higher are generally recommended for better performance and reliability. You can switch models at any point during a conversation. Just open the menu, pick your new choice, and continue. The change takes effect immediately and will shape the very next response. Your chat history stays the same, but the upcoming reply will reflect the speed versus depth trade-off you selected. A practical tip, move to instant mode when you're drafting and exploring options quickly, then switch to thinking mode to refine, verify, or finalize. If you're unsure, leave it on auto and let the system choose. And that is all for today. Mastering these model switches is the first step toward using ChatGPT like a professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.